Alexa, change my room light color blue. Wow. Alexa, do you love me?
There are people I admire and things I can't do without, but I'm still trying to figure out human love.
Wow. Today we're going to do unboxing a different gadget which is Alexa 4th generation Echo. So this is the one. Packages looks amazing. So let's start unboxing this. இதை அன்பாக்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. அங்கே இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கனை ஆன் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற ஒரு வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு சேரும். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். So let's start unboxing this. Look at the package, it is so nice. Package is very nice. Okay, let's start moving. And if you look, there is a seat. So we need to peel off this seat. Information and okay, and they have user manual. So look at here, this area you can place it like this and you can go the cable. So that's all in the box. Here they given the instruction about cell phone. You need to pair Alexa app. You have to download the Alexa app first and you need to connect and do the installation. Simple. So wow, look at that. Wow, it's really good. And if you see, here is the mute button and this is the plus minus volume increase button and this is the syncing pairing button. Yeah, totally looks Alexa is so cool. And put it this way. It is 18 volt and 1 amps adapter. So the special adapter is given by Alexa. Amazing. Yes. That's all. There you go. Wow, it's really nice. Cool. And one more thing waiting. This is the one I got a smart bulb. It's a Wipro smart bulb along with it's a combo offer with Alexa Echo 4th generation. It's a quick start guide how to connect Wipro's smart bulb. Here is the bulb. It has no button, nothing. It looks like normal LED, but see, here is a barcode. You can download the app. You need to download Wipro smart app for this, and yep, let's start playing this. Perfect, cool. Now what I'm going to do is, Alexa, what is the weather in Pondicherry?
In Puducherry, it's 34 degrees Celsius with scattered clouds. Tonight, you can expect some clouds with a chance of thunder showers, with a low of 25 degrees.
இப்போ இந்த பாட்டுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி என் டிஸ்கோ லைட் இருக்கும், பார்க்குறீங்களா? அலெக்சா, ப்ளே.
மலர் கொடி அங்கதமே ஒட்டார ஒட்டார சந்தனமே மலர் கொடி முத்தாரமே எங்கூரு குத்தாளமே
உருக்கு பையமா வெத்தல மட்டையம்மா சுமந்த கையம்மா மத்தல மொட்டியம்மா தாயம்மா தாயம்மா என்ன பண்ண மாயம்மா பள்ளியம்மா வேறாண்டி தக்கடிய கூறாண்டி கண்ணடிய காணாண்டி
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know what is Alexa Echo the 4th generation is, and it has really nice features and good looking too, and nice color, and also it has 3 main features, that is ZigBee controlled smart devices, and you can use it for Amazon, the smart bulb, and also the smart play. You can play it out with your smart home setup. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe and motivate me that we come with new gadgets in different video in different locations next time. Until then, signing out, bye bye.